Uncovering the Charm of Ancient Recipes, a Language Journey. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of phrases, particularly focusing on ancient recipes. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a journey through history, culture, and language. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind these words and see how they can spice up your English vocabulary. Ancient recipes is a compound phrase in English. Ancient refers to something very old or from a long time ago, often associated with history or past civilizations. Recipes, on the other hand, are instructions for preparing food. When combined, ancient recipes generally means cooking methods or food preparations from long ago. It's a phrase that evokes a sense of history and tradition. Ancient recipes is not just about food. It's about cultural heritage. These recipes are often passed down through generations, preserving history and traditions. When you talk about ancient recipes, you're discussing more than ingredients. You're talking about stories, customs, and a glimpse into the past. This phrase can be a bridge to explore different cultures and their historical roots. You might encounter ancient recipes in different contexts. It could be in a historical documentary, a cookbook specializing in traditional cuisine, or when someone is referring to their grandmother's old-fashioned cooking methods. Understanding this phrase can enhance your comprehension of English, especially when it comes to topics related to history, culture, and culinary arts. Interestingly, ancient recipes can also have a metaphorical meaning. It can be used to describe old, tried and tested methods or techniques in various fields, not just cooking. For example, an ancient recipe for success could imply a time-tested strategy that has been effective over many years. We hope this exploration of ancient recipes has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, phrases like these are not just words. They are windows into history, culture, and human experience. Keep exploring, and you'll find that learning English can be as exciting as uncovering ancient secrets. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.